members, Mona, Shuruq, and Sisi, and Shishi, sorry. Okay, so first of all, I have a question for you. Can you imagine what is this?
Mushroom.
Mushroom, okay, another?
Plant,
Okay,
kind of
another?
plant.
I think segments.
What?
Cookie.
Insect.
What? Cookie?
Insect.
Meat?
Cheese.
Insect.
Insect?
Flower.
Okay, another? What?
Mushroom.
Mushroom? Actually, all of you are
Wrong.
wrong, unfortunately. This is the picture. It is Riblesia flower, the biggest flower in the world. So today our presentation will be about the Riblesia flower. It's the one of the dangerous species in the world. So allow me to introduce Mona. She will talk about the introduction.
Thank you. Hi everyone. So I'm going to discuss three important things. First, description. Second, challenges and threats. Finally, conservation. Let's turn to Maya. She will talk about description.
To make it clear, there was a past thesis that said that this is flower are eat human meat, but actually it's not. It's not eating a human meat. It just eat maybe the small insects. So first we have the largest. As you see from the picture, it is from 60 to 100 centimeter. That's nearly to 1 meter and above. It can be and above. Also the heaviest, as you see, up to 8 kilogram. There's some research that says it maybe become to 22 pounds. So that is the very heaviest plant in the world. What about stinkiest is that it smell is very horrible. It smells like a rotten meat, but actually it is very important for her. As you see, the man here are covered his nose because of it is horrible smell. But it's very important for this smell to attract more flies. That it is good for reproduction and pollination. And then we have rarest because it just we can see it in limited area in the world, in the Southeastern Asia, like Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and so on. So this is all the description about. Thank you for.
So I'm going to talk about challenges. It has two challenges. The first one is limited area. They only grow up in limited area like Indonesia, Malaya, and Papua New Guinea. Also, nowadays the flower it's decreasing because many people use it in medicines. The second challenge is reproduction. It's mean like they need each other to reproduce new flowers. So, yep. Let's turn to Shishi. She'll talk about threats. Thank you.
So I will talk about the threat for the flowers. There are 2 points I want to mention. The first point is climate change. What caused the climate change? I think because in the modern years, people use a lot car that makes our pollution. That's the reason caused the climate change. So as we know, flowers need a special temperature and a lot of water to grow. So climate change maybe it's a big threat for the flowers. And the second point I want to talk about is the human hunting. Because this flower has a special medicine can use for some, for example, like reduce the woman pain from birth baby. So it's very unique flowers and very useful flowers. thank you. Next, the Shalu will talk about the conservation for us.
Thank you. I'm going to talk about conservation. Conservation don't have successfully methods to protect Rafflesia. This means that the only way to protect this attractive and amazing flower is to preserve its habitat. So conservationists made a list of the most important steps that must be done in the near future, because sadly the number of this flower is decreased. So the first step is to establishing a convenient area or areas that can protect Rafflesia. The second thing is to educate communities to minimize the negative side effects of Rafflesia and tourism activities, because some of tourists, for example, they throw trash inside it, in the middle of it, and or to cut this beautiful flower. The last thing is to educate young or new generations to take part in protection Rafflesia, maybe by making sessions or lectures, or to distribute brochures about how to make or how to protect this Rafflesia. So by making this list or steps, conservationists are hoping to complete that Rafflesia or habitat reflections are coming soon. So to summarize today, we talked about three important things about Rafflesia life. So first we talked about a simple description, then challenges and threats, and finally I talked about conservation. So finally, Shishi will finish our presentation.
Thank you. As we know, we only have one Earth. So we need to protect everything, every plant, every lives in our world. We need to do some change, like individual behavior. Like we can encourage people use more transportation instead of use our privacy car, and everyone should do something for our world. So that's my conclusion. Thank you for your attention.
There's any questions?